Hello friends, today we are going to see a story of a brave girl. See, I am going to read the passages. A heroine of the sea. Around the rocky coast of England stand many lonely lighthouses. Their lights shining across the sea warn sailors at night of dangerous rocks. When they see the lights, sailors take their ships far out to sea. But sometimes fierce storms drive ships on the rocks. This is the story of a brave girl and of a shipwreck on the rocks one night in 1838. Grace Darling was the daughter of a lighthouse keeper. She had lived all her life in lonely lighthouses, far away from towns and cities. There was not even a village near their home. Their nearest neighbors were many miles away. But Grace's father was a wise and educated man who brought up his children very carefully. Grace and her brother and sisters were all taught to read and write. Their father also taught them to be honest and brave and unselfish. See, here in the first paragraph, the physical condition of sea coast of England is described. There are so many rocks in the sea. Therefore, there are so many lighthouses on the coast to warn the sailors that to drive their boats on that way is dangerous for them. Therefore, to see the lighthouses, the ship drivers or the sailors sail their boats far away from the rocks, and then they reach the coast of England. This is the condition there, and at that place there were lighthouse keepers living in the lighthouses. One of them was Grace's father. Grace was the brave daughter of her father. Here is the incident of shipwreck. That means ship collided with the rock and it burst out. That is called as shipwreck in 1838. Grace Darling was the daughter of the lighthouse keeper, and she lived all her life in lonely lighthouses. There was no neighbors. Their neighbors were miles away. The lighthouses were far away from cities and towns, and so the proper education was difficult for them. But Grace's father was an educated person, and he made his children able to read and write properly. Their father also taught them to be honest and brave and unselfish. Underline these three words. Their father educated them, taught them to be honest, to be brave, and to be unselfish. These three important qualities do we have to learn too in our education. Now I am going to read the next paragraph. When Grace was 10 years old and family went to live in the Longstone Lighthouse, their new home was on some wild islands near the east coast of England. The Darling children grew up here. When they were older, they left their lonely home one by one and found work in the cities. At last, all of them had left the lighthouse except Grace, who stayed at home to help her mother and father. She had not grown very tall. She was only a little woman, not at all like her father, who was more than 6 feet tall. See, Grace was 10 years old when they went to live in the Longstone Lighthouse. Their new home was on the wild island. Wild means very difficult to go there, such a place in the sea coast, near the east coast of England. The darling children grew up here. When they were older, they left one by one their family and they went in search of their duties, their jobs in nearby cities. At last, only Grace left at home. She was living with her parents and she was small girl, she was small woman because and her father was 6 feet tall, but Grace was not as much tall as her father. Next paragraph. On the night of September 6, 1838, a terrible storm was blowing. Grace was used to storms. She herself was warm and safe in the big lighthouse, but she was always unhappy about the poor sailors who were at sea in the storm. On the September 6, 1838, there was a stormy condition in the sea. Grace was safe in her lighthouse, but she was unhappy because there were so many sailors sailing in the sea with their ships, with their boats, and it was a dangerous storm for them, and Grace was anxious for them. The next part we will see in the next video.